Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with essential prerequisites and the very first actions. Make sure your Wi-Fi is 4 GHz and you know the password because Ezviz won't pair on 5 GHz. Charge the camera and place it close to the router to avoid dropouts. Open the Ezviz app, sign in or create an account, then tap the plus to add a device. You'll scan the QR or enter the serial. Once the app detects the camera, allow location and camera permissions so pairing can proceed. Once the camera is paired, continue configuring settings so it works for your daily needs. You'll be guided through Wi-Fi connection confirmation and then prompted to name the device and assign a room. This keeps multiple cameras organized. Make sure to enable motion detection and draw activity zones to reduce false alerts. Adjust video quality and orientation based on bandwidth and placement, and set notification rules and schedules so you only get alerts that matter. These steps balance storage, data, and responsiveness. You're almost done. Finalize by testing the live view and recording a short clip to confirm video and audio. Verify your cloud plan or SD card settings so recordings are saved where you expect, and set user permissions and sharing options if others need access. Make sure automatic firmware updates are enabled to keep security current. If something goes wrong, try rebooting the router and camera, perform a factory reset if needed, then reattempt pairing. This resolves most common connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.